Transforming your financial future doesn't require a lottery win. It demands a shift in everyday habits. If you're ready to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start building real, lasting wealth, you're in the right place. Here are 37 life-changing money tips to master your financial destiny.
Numbered list. Number 1, pay yourself first. Treat your savings and investment contributions as your most important monthly bills. Route them out of your checking account before you have a chance to spend them.
Number 2, identify your why. Connect your financial goals to your deeply held personal values. Saving for retirement is vague. Saving for the freedom to travel the world at 55 is motivating. Number 3, beware of lifestyle creep. When your income increases, fight the urge to upgrade your car, wardrobe, and apartment immediately. Hold your expenses steady and invest the difference. Number 4, stop comparing. Social media showcases highlight reels, not credit card statements. The person driving a luxury car next to you might be drowning in high-interest debt. Number 5, money is a tool, not the goal. Use your wealth to buy freedom, security, and time, rather than just acquiring more physical possessions. Number 6, track your net worth. Focus on what you actually keep, assets minus liabilities, not just your gross salary. Number 7, embrace delayed gratification. Waiting to buy something often reveals you didn't really need it in the first place. Number 8, forgive past money mistakes. Beating yourself up over past debt or bad purchases paralyzes you. Learn the lesson, forgive yourself, and move forward. Number 9, talk about money. Discussing finances with a partner or trusted friend removes the taboo, builds accountability, and helps you learn new strategies. Number 10, value your time. Calculate your true hourly wage. Before buying an item, ask yourself how many hours of your life you had to work to pay for it. Number 11, use a zero-based budget. Assign every single dollar a job, spending, saving, or investing before the month begins, so your income minus your outgo equals 0. Number 12, try the 50-30-20 rule. If detailed budgeting is too tedious, simply allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt payoff. Number 13, track every penny. Total awareness is the first step to changing your spending habits. You cannot optimize what you do not measure. Number 14, automate everything. Set your fixed bills and investment contributions to autopay so you never miss a deadline or get hit with a late fee. Number 15, audit your subscriptions. Go through your bank statements and ruthlessly cancel unused apps, streaming services, and gym memberships. Number 16, plan for irregular expenses. Set aside monthly amounts for annual bills like property taxes, car registration, or holiday gifts, so they don't derail your monthly cash flow. Number 17, adopt the envelope system. If you chronically overspend in a specific category, like dining out, pull that exact amount out in cash at the start of the month. When the envelope is empty, you're done spending. Number 18, review your budget weekly. A quick 15-minute weekly check-in prevents end-of-month surprises and keeps you aligned with your goals. Number 19, pad your estimates. Always budget slightly more for variable expenses, like utilities or groceries, than you think you'll need. Number 20, keep budgeting simple. If complex spreadsheets overwhelm you, stick to pen and paper or a simple automated budgeting app. Consistency matters more than the medium. Number 21, build a starter emergency fund. Save $1,000 to $2,000 immediately. This acts as a bumper to cover minor unexpected hiccups without relying on a credit card. Number 22, Expand to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Once your high-interest debt is clear, build a fully funded emergency safety net to protect against job loss or medical emergencies. Number 23. Use high-yield savings accounts, HYSA. Stop leaving cash in traditional bank accounts earning 0.01% interest. Move your emergency fund to an online HYSA to earn a competitive yield. Number 24. Hide money from yourself. Open a savings account at a completely different bank than your checking account. The 2 to 3 day transfer delay makes the money less tempting to spend on impulse. Number 25. Implement the 24-hour rule. Wait a full day before making any non-essential purchase. If you still want it tomorrow, buy it. Usually, the urge passes. Number 26. Save your windfalls. Route annual bonuses, tax refunds, and cash gifts straight into savings or investments rather than blowing them on lifestyle upgrades. Number 27. Invest your loose change. Use micro-investing apps that round up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change. Number 28. Gamify your savings. Try a 52-week savings challenge, a no-spend month, or a spare change jar to make hoarding cash feel like a game. Number 29. Keep sinking funds. Create dedicated, clearly labeled savings buckets for specific upcoming goals. For example, new tires, Italy trip, so your money feels purposeful. Number 30. Match your splurges. For every dollar you spend on a luxury item or unnecessary want, force yourself to put $1 into savings. Number 31. List all your debts. Write down every balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Facing the exact numbers is scary, but it is a necessary first step. Number 32. Choose a payoff strategy. Pick either the debt snowball, paying the smallest balance first for psychological wins, or the debt avalanche, paying the highest interest rate first for mathematical efficiency. Number 33. Stop the bleeding. Halt all credit card use while you are actively trying to pay down balances. You cannot dig your way out of a hole while still using a shovel. Number 34. Pay more than the minimum. Minimum payments are mathematically designed by banks to keep you in debt for decades. Always pay more. Number 35. Negotiate lower interest rates. Call your credit card issuer and ask for a rate reduction. A 5-minute phone call can save you hundreds in interest. Number 36. Consider a balance transfer. Move high-interest debt to a 0% introductory APR card to halt interest accumulation, but ensure you pay off the balance before the promotional period ends. Number 37. Avoid payday loans at all costs. The astronomical interest rates create an inescapable cyclical debt trap. Wealth isn't built overnight, but every smart choice compounds over time. Don't let this list overwhelm you. Pick just 3 habits to implement today and watch your momentum grow. Take control, stay disciplined, and remember that your financial freedom is entirely in your hands. Start building your future now.